there, you social media enthusiasts! Lucky's back, flapping in with the Nest Planner that'll make your feathers sizzle and your posts go viral. Let's waddle through the social world and find the best times to cluck up a storm. Twitter Tuesday. Tiptoe into the day with your tweets. Walk around lunchtime and give a last squawk in the evening. Your target, 3 to 5 chirps daily. That's some serious excitement. Instagram Hump Day. Scratch up some engaging content around 9 a.m., 11 and 3 p.m. These are your magic hours, like eggs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You'll be egg-tastic with 1 to 2 posts daily. TikTok every day. Sizzle on the dance floor from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Let your feathers fly with 1 to 3 posts daily. TikTok every day, or like TikTok all the way. LinkedIn Lively Wednesdays. Preen your professional feathers 2 to 5 times a week. Balance is key. Not too much, not too little. Just the perfect business dance. YouTube Weekend. Saturdays and Sundays are your golden egg days. Plant 1 to 2 clucking good videos for brunch and evening viewing. Keep it relaxed and engaging. Remember, while this schedule is a great place to start, be flexible and adapt to your audience needs. Tailor your posts, experiment, and most importantly, have a clucking good time while you're doing it. Cluck on, my friends. I'm clucking out of here.